sleep with salted lemon beside your head and look what happens. When we talk about healthy eating, one of the first things that come to your mind is certainly a lemon. The benefits that you have of it are numerous. For example, the odor makes you feel refreshed and clean, and it is because lemon is a natural antiseptic, and its juice is great for cleaning the toughest stains. Moreover, it is known that the smell of lemon improves the mood of people who suffer from anxiety and depression. If you want to see how a simple lemon can make real magic, try this trick. Every night at bedtime, cut lemon into 4 pieces, salt it and put in a bowl beside your head. This combination has the power to facilitate breathing, especially in people suffering from asthma, allergies or have a cold. This also normalizes blood pressure, and here is what the benefits will experience. 1. Lemon repels insects, including mosquitoes. 2. You wake up with clearer thinking and better voice. 3. When you inhale the scent of lemon, faster you can refresh yourself after waking up, and this works better than coffee. 4. The room will smell nice and fresh. So do not hesitate more and immediately reach for a lemon and use its many advantages.
You